Good afternoon, it's a great day MSI.
MSI, this is Kevin. Hello, this is Robert.
Morning, MSI. How can I help you?
Well, if you have any questions or concerns, give me a call.
If there's anything we can help you out with, just let us know.
If you ever need anything, please feel free to give me a call.
Alonso Cabara, the branch manager of the Laguna Hills location. I've been with the company for 6 years, and throughout the years, MSI has been upgrading themselves with more parts, tools, and service. So for those of you who have not had an opportunity to walk in one of our shops, we look forward to seeing you and providing you with the best service.